Good morning, children. Welcome to Max class. Today we are going to see in chapter 3 algebra how to find value of an algebraic expression. Let us see the steps to obtain the value of an algebraic expression. First step, study the problem, fix the variable, let it be any variable, and write the algebraic expression. In the second step, you convert the algebraic expression to arithmetical expression by replacing each variable by the given numerical value. The third step, by BODMAS method, simplify the arithmetic expression. The value so obtained is the required value of the expression. Example 3.4. We are going to find the value of three algebraic expression where the value of the variable m and n are given. So first subdivision 3m plus 2n, and this can be written as 3 into m plus 2 into n. Next step, you substitute the value for the variables. 3 into, the value of m is 2 and the value of n is minus 1. Now you may have a doubt whether to do multiplication first or addition first. By BODMAS rule, multiplication has to be done before you do addition. So first you do multiplication. 3 into 2, 6 plus 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Now the integers are of opposite sign. So subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. 6 is bigger, so subtract 2 from 6, you get 4. And put the sign of bigger number. Here 6 is positive, so 4 also remains positive. Now write the answer step. Answer 3m plus 2n equal to 4. Second subdivision 2m minus n. This can be written as 2 into m minus n. Substitute the value for the variables. 2 into 2 minus the value of n is minus 1. First you do multiplication. 2 into 2, 4. Minus into minus, plus 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. The answer is 5. Don't forget to write the answer step. 2m minus n equal to 5. Third algebraic expression is mn minus 1, and this can be written as m into n minus 1. In the next step, you substitute the value of m and n. So 2 into minus 1 minus 1. So 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Then write minus 1. Now we are going to add two integers of same sign. So 2 plus 1, 3. And put the same sign. So minus 3. The answer is mn minus 1 equal to minus 3. Answer mn minus 1 equal to minus 3. Example 3.9. Mani and his friend Mohammed went to a hotel for dinner. Mani had 2 idlis and 2 dosas, whereas Mohammed had 4 idlis and 1 dosa. If the price of each idli and dosa is x and y respectively, then find the bill amount in x and y. Here the price of idli and dosa is given in terms of variables, that is x and y. We are asked to find the bill amount in x and y. First, let us find how many idlis and dosas they both had. Mani had 2 idlis, Muhammad had 4 idlis, so total 6 idlis they both had. And Mani had 2 dosas, Muhammad had 1, and total 3 dosas they had. Number of idlis they had, that is 6. Price of idli is given here as x. Whenever you write price, you write rupees x. Now you find price of 6 idlis. So what to do? To find price of 6 idlis, have to multiply 6 into x. So rupees 6 into x is 6x. Next, number of dosas they had. How many dosas? 3. So price of a dosa is y. So write here rupees y. Now find price of 3 dosas. So multiply 3 into rupees y, that is rupees 3y. So what's the total bill amount? You have to add the price of 6 idlis and price of 3 dosas, that is rupees 6x plus 3y. So we framed algebraic expression for the bill amount. 2 problems I have given you as homework, one from exercise 3.1 and one example problem. Please don't copy from your book, do on your own. I hope you all will do it correctly. Thank you. Good morning, students. Welcome to Max class.